Hello, welcome to PlantCareGarden. Did you know that with just one familiar kitchen ingredient, your Anthurium can become glossier, healthier, and full of vitality? Many people water their Anthurium every day, but the plant may still develop yellow, leaves grow slowly, or stop blooming. In today's video, I will share a simple, natural, and easy way to care for Anthurium at home. When applied correctly, the plant can become greener, grow stronger roots, and stay healthier all year round. Now, let's get started. First, prepare 1 onion as the ingredient shown in the video. Then, use a knife to gently peel off the outer layer of the onion. These onion peels contain many beneficial natural compounds that can be used to make a homemade Anthurium care solution. Which country are you watching this video from? I am very happy to welcome you to PlantCareGarden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It is truly wonderful that we can connect and talk with each other from all around the world. After peeling, place all the onion peels into a clean glass jar as shown in the video. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of rice into the jar too, combined with the onion peels prepared earlier. Rice contains many natural nutrients that help support stronger root growth and help Anthurium maintain stable vitality over time. When rice is combined with onion peels, we can create a natural, gentle, and easy to use plant care solution at home. Then, I add about 1,000 milliliters of hot water into the jar to soak the ingredients. Hot water helps the natural nutrients from the rice and onion peels release faster and dissolve better into the water. As a result, when used, the Anthurium can absorb the nutrients more gently and effectively. Finally, close the lid and let the solution steep for about 1 hour so the nutrients can fully blend together. While waiting for the solution to steep for 1 hour, I will check the entire Anthurium plant. First, cut off any faded flowers, dry leaves, yellow leaves, or damaged leaves as shown in the video. This helps the plant avoid wasting nutrients on weak parts, allowing it to focus on nourishing healthy leaves and recover better over time. In addition, removing damaged leaves helps the plant become more airy, limits fungal diseases, and reduces the risk of pests developing. After cleaning, the whole Anthurium pot will look neater, healthier, and have more space to grow new leaves. After 1 hour, when the onion peel and rice solution has cooled, I will filter out all the residue and keep only the liquid as shown in the video. Filtering out the residue helps make the solution cleaner and prevents particles from sticking to the leaves or building up around the roots during use. This liquid is the natural nutrient solution made from onion peels and rice, helping support Anthurium recovery, healthier growth, and glossy green leaves over time. At this point, simply add about 1 liter of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution, as shown in the video. Diluting the solution makes it gentler, allowing the plant to absorb the nutrients more safely and effectively. That's it. Now we have a natural, organic fertilizer solution made. from onion peels and rice to care for Anthurium right at home. Method 1. First, I pour the onion peel and rice solution into a clean glass cup as shown in the video. Next, use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth to lightly soak up the solution. Then gently wipe each Anthurium leaf, including both the upper and lower surfaces. Wiping the leaves with the onion peel and rice solution helps remove dust, watermarks, and impurities that build up on the leaf surface after a long period of care. When the leaves are cleaner, the plant can absorb light better, and photosynthesis becomes more effective. In addition, the natural nutrients from onion peels combined with rice help support leaf vitality, making the leaves greener, healthier, and naturally glossier over time. This method also helps reduce dull, soft, drooping, or weak-looking leaves when the plant is stressed. Besides that, regular leaf wiping also helps the plant become more breathable and reduces the environment where fungi and bacteria can stay on the leaf surface. As a result, the whole Anthurium plant will stay cleaner, glossier, greener, and healthier over time. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in many other languages so you can follow the content more easily. Currently, the video is available in English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language by opening the video settings and selecting the audio language that suits you best. Method 2. Pour the onion peel and rice solution into a specialized spray bottle as shown in the video. Then, gently mist the solution evenly onto the leaves, stems, and around the base of the Anthurium. The nutrients and natural extracts from onion peels combined with rice help support healthier plant growth while increasing the plant's natural vitality over time. Gentle misting also helps the leaves absorb moisture better, reduces dry leaf edges and drooping, and makes the leaves look fresher and greener. In addition, this method helps create gentle humidity around the plant, which is especially suitable for Anthurium, grown indoors or in dry air environments. You should only spray a thin mist layer and avoid leaving too much water on the leaves or in the leaf joints to limit fungal diseases. After spraying, let the plant rest in a lightly ventilated space so the thin mist on the leaves can dry naturally. At this time, the nutrients from onion peels and rice will slowly stay on the leaf surface, helping the plant receive gentle moisture. When done correctly, you will see the Anthurium leaves become glossier, smoother, greener, and the whole plant pod look much healthier. Method 3. Pour the onion peel and rice solution into a watering bottle as shown in the video. Then, gently water around the base of the Anthurium with a suitable amount. Using this solution helps provide the plant with natural nutrients, supports more stable root growth, and helps the plant absorb water better over time. The nutrients from onion peels combined with rice also help increase plant vitality, making the leaves greener and healthier while reducing soft, drooping, or weak-looking leaves when grown indoors. When watering, do it gently so the solution can spread evenly around the root area, helping the soil maintain the needed moisture while still staying breathable. After watering, soak the plant pot in the solution for about 10 minutes so the roots can absorb moisture and nutrients better. After soaking the plant pot in the solution for about 10 minutes, I will gently take it out and place it in an area with diffused light. Method 4. Use a soft, clean, and absorbent cloth to dry any water remaining on the leaf surface. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from staying in the leaf joints, reducing the risk of fungal diseases, leaf rot, or mealybugs developing in humid conditions. When the leaf surface is dry and airy, the plant can breathe better, photosynthesize more effectively, and avoid water stains or white spots left after evaporation. After wiping, I will place the plant in a cool, airy place with gentle light and natural airflow so the leaves can dry completely. With simple ingredients like onion peels and rice, we can create a natural Anthurium care method right at home. When done correctly, the plant will gradually become glossier, healthier, and maintain lasting vitality over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PlantCareGarden. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.